Welcome to the assembly guide for this display unit. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a secure and stable setup. First of all, you'll need to carefully unpack the unit, making sure that you don't break anything. Locate the supplied star screw. Peel the tape off of the metal and insert it into the aligned holes of part B and C. Using the supplied screwdriver, turn the screws clockwise until the parts are securely connected. Align part F, the floor stabilizer, with part C, the spine. Then secure it in place using the supplied screws and screwdriver. To assemble the shelf, align part D with part B. Then align part E with part D. Secure all the parts using the supplied screws and the screwdriver.
Music licensing reimagined.
Gently lift the tray upward and peel off the backing from the handles tape. Then press firmly to secure it in position. Position part A, the racetrack header, so that the holes align with part B. Then secure it with supplied screws. Avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Once the first campaign is finished, hold the header steady while carefully peeling off the vinyl to prevent damage. And there it is. It's that easy.
Music